So hello everyone, today we will talk about something that I invented, but before we do, I want to let you know that HoneyGain is giving 500 extra points if you invite someone. So you can get more points by inviting people. If you don't have an account at HoneyGain, I recommend that you make an account. You will find the link in the description. You get $5 free as soon as you sign up. And if you select this option, which is a cryptocurrency, to get paid by crypto, then you get 10% bonus, which is even more money for you. If you decide you want PayPal, just select this option, which is normal, yeah? Anyway, you'll find the link in the description. And then you can invite some friends and make some extra credits during couple of months. Limited offer, yeah, is running out soon. Anyway, so I just want to let you know about this website, which is Thingiverse. Thingiverse, yeah. Obviously, if you have a 3D printer, this website Thingiverse will be very useful for you because you can find anything that you think of. Look, you can even get a laptop stand, right? A laptop stand just printed. You don't have to design it yourself. Just download the file and print it. It is free. Just keep looking about something you want. Even battery carrier, yeah? Check this out. Someone invented a battery carrier. So anything you can think of, just search for it and you can download it and then 3D print it. I have a 3D printer. I print a lot of stuff. It is very useful if you want to fix something, if you want to invent something. And I want to tell you about the problem that I was facing. In my washing machine, I couldn't get into this area. It was so tight. As you can see, I couldn't get into the scoop. The scoop does not get into this area. So I had to find a longer scoop, something which is better, longer and smaller. I just went to this website here, Thingiverse, and I searched for a scoop, and you get a lot of them. So I found one of them and then I just printed it. It took me about, I don't know, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours to print the scoop, and then it was ready. You can find many of them actually. You can find this one, for example, but it's not long enough. Okay, so you can find whatever you like. So I printed my scoop and now it fits perfectly. It fits in this tiny area and it does the job. As you can see, the area, it's a bit tight here. That's a problem if you put something a bit big, not even big enough, just big. It annoys you when you put some, washing powder. This one now does the job. Just pick up some powder and then take it here. It fits perfectly. Can you see it fits perfectly? Rotate it like that and it folds. Yeah, this is the one that I printed. This is the one that I printed, guys, as you can see on the screen. Is it this one? Yeah, it is. You can print it easy. Just download the file. Just go here, Things Files, and download. I'm not sure why there are two of them. It should be only one because it's only one item. But this is what I printed. If you don't have a 3D printer, I recommend that you get a 3D printer. I think Creality Ender is the cheapest and it's quite good actually. Creality Ender, I think now it's version 3. Mine is version 2 or 1. And the prices are not even high. It's like £200. Yeah, it's about £184. You get the Creality Ender. You have obviously to learn how to design stuff, or just download them. Just download them. You can find anything you are thinking of. Let's think about mobile stand. I just want to show you how many mobile stands you can find. You can find a lot of them. Yeah, check this out. Let me just move my screen here. Wow, even Batman, yeah. Batman you can find. This one you can find. Easy print. So yeah, this is the episode today. More episodes are coming. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. We will talk about cryptocurrency. The market obviously is down lately. It's so annoying. Our money is flying in front of our eyes. It's disappearing, but I have a good feeling about crypto. Things are about to change. XRP is doing good. I'm glad I bought some XRP a couple of days ago. So yeah, XRP is doing good lately for some reason. I haven't done a lot of research, but new episodes are coming about crypto. Thank you for watching. See you later.